Since its establishment in 1995, BOBO Machinery has always been committed to innovation and development in the field of machine building. What makes BOBO different is our continuous pursuit of automation, efficiency, and innovation. We constantly push the boundaries of technology and control every detail from design to assembly. Intelligent system, modularized structure, and precision machining are the guarantee of our quality. We have an independent R&D center and modern workshop to realize real independent production. The workshop is equipped with CNC machining, laser cutting, welding, assembly, and other full process production capacity. Each piece of equipment has been precisely designed and strictly tested to be stable and durable. Our core products cover a wide range of automated series, such as pipe processing, coil forming, insulation assembly, end forming, and so on. Our products are widely used in many industrial fields, such as HVAC, automobile, home appliance, refrigeration, and so on. We provide a full range of services from project design, customization, and R&D to after-sales installation and commissioning, with a team of professional engineers to provide you with technical support at any time. BOBO Machinery proudly serves over 80 countries and regions worldwide. Whether you are upgrading an existing line or building a new one, we can provide you with expert support. Contact us today to customize your line automation solution.